Welcome to the fascinating world of black holes. Today, we'll be exploring the mysteries of these cosmic wonders that continue to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Black holes are incredibly dense objects formed from the remnants of massive stars. Their gravitational force is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. As matter spirals into a black hole, it forms an accretion disk, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the form of X-rays and gamma rays. Black holes have a profound impact on the surrounding space, warping it and creating mesmerizing gravitational lensing effects. Scientists believe that black holes play a crucial role in the formation of galaxies, shaping the cosmic landscape we observe today. Exploring black holes is a thrilling journey that pushes the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. Join us as we delve deeper into the mysteries of these enigmatic cosmic phenomena. Black holes continue to inspire awe and curiosity, challenging our perception of reality. Join the quest to unravel the secrets of these captivating cosmic entities. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration of black holes. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop marveling at the wonders of the universe.